What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to be taking a look at these calipers and what needs to be done to rebuild them. So these particular calipers are from a 2012 Acura TSX. You can see that these are pretty aged. You can clearly see that these could use some rebuilding. So we're going to go through the steps of what needs to be done to rebuild them. But starting off with number one, you're going to need to buy a rebuild kit. It's going to include all of these rubber pieces here, and some of them that are in here as well. We're going to show you how to get that out of there. And you can actually go through the process and have them looking like this. Now, you can buy this already redone. This one is from Power Stop. As you can see here, this looks really good in the red finish. But in essence, what you could do is you could take all of this apart if you wanted to, bring it to your local powder coating shop, and they could sandblast it and take care of the rest when it comes to actually powder coating these. But let's go ahead and get started with the first step. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself some compressed air. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a piece of cardboard to serve as a catch for the piston that we're trying to pump out. So I'm going to just push my cardboard in here. Then what I'm going to do is take my compressed air and blow some air into this hole. So this is the piston that came out. You can see this is going to need to be cleaned up. But overall, you could rebuild this thing and put it right back to use again after it's fully cleaned up the right way. All right, so next inside you have these rubber components. Okay, so this is one of the pieces that you would actually replace. And then to get to the last seal in here, you would take a little pick and basically just insert it here so you can kind of pry that out. And this would be the other component that gets replaced. So you can buy the rebuild kit. It will include those two components there, as well as these ones here, and I believe this one as well. So those are the pieces that you can change to rebuild this. Again, you can take this to your local powder coating shop. They'll sandblast it, recoat it for you, tape off the necessary areas that need to be taped off in order to make sure that when you get it back, everything's working good. But in essence, that's what you're looking at right here in this completed and finished one right here. This one is from a company that rebuilds them, but in essence, you can do it yourself. So I don't know what the rough estimate is to get these powder coated, but I'm guessing it's probably going to be cheaper than buying an already finished one. But in essence, these are some of the steps that you would have to take to rebuild your calipers. Okay, so I hope you're able to see the steps involved in rebuilding a set of calipers. Again, you can have these coming out looking like these. So yeah, talking about it, you could actually powder coat this yourself. If you own a sandblaster, you could actually blast this, and if you have a powder coating machine, you could powder coat it, put it in a small oven, bake it on, and then you're done. That would be the absolute low-cost method to actually achieve this. Again, you can have results looking like this from this. It's your boy BT. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.